Did you know that the least number of children are born on Saturdays? According to the United Nations, about 360,000 babies are born each day. That is over 130 million babies a year. We have been previously introduced to large numbers, and in this lesson, we will be learning how to read and write large numbers. Let's use some examples to see how this is done. In the year 8000 BC, there were around 5 million people on Earth. How do we write this in figures? I'm sure you can remember our table of large numbers from a previous lesson. From the table, you can see that a million has 6 zeros. So, to write 5 million, we simply write 5 and add 6 zeros to it. You see how simple that was? Let's continue. Zoologists claim that sharks have been around for at least 400 million years. I'm certain you already know that we'll simply write 400 with 6 zeros to get this number. The distance between the Sun and Pluto is about 3 billion miles. Can you write it in figures? Using our table of large numbers, we can see that a billion has 9 zeros. This means that to write 3 billion, we would simply write 3 and then add 9 zeros to it. Lastly, some biologists have stated that the human body contains around 50 trillion cells. I'm sure you know how to write this in figures. We simply write 50 and add 12 zeros to it. Let's stop here for now. But I would like you to know that there are many more examples of large numbers out there. Some of them include the number of bits on the hard disk of a computer, the number of atoms in the universe, the value of the game tree complexity of chess, which is called the Shannon number, and the number of nerve cell connections in the human brain, among many others. Why not try finding some of them out? In this lesson, we have learned how to write some large numbers. Do you think you have conquered the world of large numbers? Join me in another lesson.